showing you guys the process. I'm showing you guys the process. I just went to go pick me out a tip. This is the perfect tip that I'm going with. They go in the back. About 1998 Oldsmobile Regency. And here I am at the muffler shop. Larry's Muffler. Getting ready to get it installed. Let's see how long it takes. I'm gonna let you guys know how long it takes and everything. But this is it right here. You know what I'm saying? I want to show you guys. You know, I'm gonna show you guys step by step. Let's see how it look. Let's see how it look. We're gonna see how it look when it's all finished and done with. Okay. Peace out.
Catching cataracts, we want the cheese and the rack. Cause in these tricks, we hold the top stacks. From north to the south, they catching hell down. From east to the west, we crazy court bound. From north to the south, they catching hell down. From east to the west, we crazy court bound. Keep it real, nigga. So these niggas on the kill, real. Nigga, what? You know what I represent? Those CC niggas from JC to UC, racing acting ass, nigga. These niggas quick to lay you to the floor and take your blow. These niggas quick to lay you